Welcome. Before you close your eyes, allow yourself to let go of everything that happened today. This is your time. A time to release the weight of the past, the worries of tomorrow, and every thought that has been keeping you from experiencing the peace that already exists within you. As you listen to the sound of my voice, your body begins to relax naturally. Your breathing becomes slower and deeper. With every gentle breath in, you invite calm into your mind. With every breath out, you release stress, fear, tension, and doubt. There is nothing you need to force. Nothing you need to achieve in this moment. Simply allow yourself to listen. Your conscious mind can rest now because your subconscious mind is awake, attentive, and ready to receive new empowering beliefs. Tonight is different. Tonight you are giving yourself permission to become the person you are always meant to be. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It stores every experience, every belief, every emotion, and every habit that has shaped your life until this moment. Yet the beautiful truth is that your subconscious is not fixed. It is always learning. It is always adapting. It is always listening. As you drift toward peaceful sleep, your mind becomes more receptive to positive transformation. Old limitations begin to dissolve naturally. Thoughts that no longer serve you lose their power. New possibilities begin to emerge with every passing moment. Imagine a beautiful golden light surrounding your entire body. This warm, peaceful light represents healing, clarity, confidence, abundance, and unconditional love. Every breath allows this light to flow deeper into every cell of your body. This light enters your mind, gently washing away every limiting belief you have ever accepted about yourself. You no longer believe that you are not enough. You no longer believe that success belongs only to others. You no longer believe that happiness is difficult to find. You no longer believe that fear controls your future. Instead, your subconscious begins accepting a new reality. A reality where you are calm. A reality where you are confident. A reality where opportunities naturally find you. A reality where your thoughts support your dreams instead of limiting them. Allow these words to become your new inner truth. I am safe. I am worthy. I am capable. I deserve happiness. I deserve abundance. I deserve peace. I deserve love. Every day I become stronger mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Every experience helps me grow. Every challenge reveals my inner strength. Every breath fills me with confidence. Every morning I wake with greater clarity. Every night my subconscious creates positive change. My mind works in harmony with my highest good. I naturally attract positive people into my life. I release every fear that has been holding me back. I forgive myself completely. I forgive my past completely. I free myself from guilt. I forgive myself completely. I forgive my past completely. I free myself from guilt. I free myself from regret. I choose peace instead of fear. I choose faith instead of doubt. I choose love instead of resistance. As you continue relaxing, imagine yourself waking tomorrow morning. Notice how light your body feels. Notice how peaceful your thoughts have become. Notice the quiet confidence within you. You smile naturally because something inside has changed. You no longer seek external validation because your worth comes from within. You trust yourself. You trust life. You trust the journey unfolding before you. Your subconscious mind now searches constantly for opportunities, solutions, and positive experiences. You recognize abundance everywhere. You notice possibilities that you once ignored. You make wise decisions naturally. Your intuition becomes stronger each day. You listen to your inner guidance with complete confidence. Your mind is becoming clear. Your heart is becoming peaceful. Your future is becoming brighter. Every positive thought creates a new pathway in your mind. Every peaceful emotion strengthens your inner foundation. Every night you become a wiser, calmer, and more confident version of yourself. From this moment forward, your subconscious chooses empowering beliefs. You believe in your potential. You believe in your purpose. You believe in your ability to create meaningful change. You believe that your best days are still ahead. You are becoming the person you have always imagined. Not through struggle. Not through force. But through gentle, consistent transformation. Your subconscious understands exactly what to keep and exactly what to release. Old fears disappear. Old doubts fade away. Old emotional wounds continue healing. Your inner peace grows stronger every single day. You deserve to experience joy. You deserve to experience success. You deserve meaningful relationships. You deserve vibrant health. You deserve financial abundance. You deserve a life filled with purpose. As you sleep tonight, every cell of your body vibrates with harmony. Your brain creates new positive patterns. Your nervous system relaxes deeply. Your heart beats calmly. Your entire being aligns with peace, wisdom, confidence, gratitude, and love. You are becoming emotionally resilient. You are becoming mentally focused. You are becoming spiritually connected. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Trust your inner wisdom. Allow sleep to guide you into profound renewal. As you continue resting, your subconscious gently repeats these truths throughout the night. I am enough. I am peaceful. I am grateful. I am healthy. I am abundant. I am confident. I am loved. I am guided. I am protected. I am constantly becoming the highest version of myself. Tomorrow I wake refreshed. Tomorrow I wake inspired. Tomorrow I wake filled with clarity. Tomorrow I wake ready to create a beautiful day. And with every night that you return to these words, your subconscious becomes even more aligned with the life you truly desire. Now simply relax. Breathe slowly. Let every word settle gently into your subconscious mind. Release control. Release effort. Release resistance. Allow peaceful sleep to embrace you completely, knowing that deep within, positive transformation has already begun.